Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Firebase Cloud Messaging for mobile notifications. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start authorizing Firebase Cloud Messaging for mobile notifications, visit the Firebase console at firebase.google.com. Create a new project by selecting Add Project and following the prompts. Once your project is created, navigate to the Project Overview dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Project Settings. In the Settings, locate the Cloud Messaging tab. Here, you will find your server key and sender ID. Make note of both pieces of information for later use. Next, download the Google Services.json file for Android or the Google Service Info.plist file for iOS. Place the Google Services.json file in the app directory of your Android project. For iOS, add the Google Service Info.plist file to your Xcode project. After adding the configuration files, update your apps.build.gradle file. Add the necessary dependencies for Firebase messaging. Sync your project to ensure the changes take effect. Initialize Firebase in your application's main activity or app delegate. For mobile notifications, create a service that extends Firebase messaging service. Override the onMessageReceived method within this service. This method will handle incoming messages and display notifications accordingly. Next, register this service in your Android manifest.xml file. For iOS, configure your app delegate to handle remote notifications. Request user permission to display notifications on the device. Implement the logic to handle user responses to notifications. Test the integration by sending a test message from the Firebase console. Monitor the logcat for any issues or errors during the process. Once you confirm that notifications are working, your authorization is complete. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Firebase Cloud Messaging for mobile notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.